access the treasure of knowledge. Vast library with thousands of volumes of information. State-of-art computer labs. A clean kitchen that cooks the healthiest and tastiest food to give you those nutrients you need to excel. Our highly experienced faculty will help you discover yourself first and then your goals. Dual specializations and dynamic curriculum.
IIRM has put a lot of effort in understanding the new generation, and our course is exactly designed to help these kind of aspiring students to achieve what they want to achieve in their lives, because they just don't want to read from the books. They just want to experience the real world. They want to prove themselves and outshine themselves in the real world. That's where our learning pedagogy of transformational educational methodology helps them.